Hello viewers, and I'm back again. You know the show, the name is Tea Time Talk Show. I'm the host Borok Tripura. So, ini kaisa young Tripura ni kaisa makeup artist, very young and very famous. Sorry, Bini ini interview na both in Tripura, well-known makeup artist. He's very young and he's very famous in our entertainment industry. Minimum James Debbarma is a very well-known makeup artist. So, we need to interview story as usual. Out of station, you can bring him to our studio. So, throw call in interview call please join.
Hindu Christian bujoli jago, ama sang nogo tagwana jago, amba sa kuwait te bo jagapo.
Hello.
Hello.
James Jungka. Hello James, ang pohorsi. Ang chini Tea Time Talk Show ni host presented by chini Borok TV. So ang chini ni interview na namo chunggo. Okay. Ani ko ekta question tongo je ang nono sung namo chunggo chini viewers ni bagi bu. Ingke to ang nono kaisa ni chini ani first question ka. Nung to tabok onek jon tabok ni makeup artist nung to tabok well known. Ingke Borok chini Tripura to Borok. Chini Tripura to Borok bisa bag doctor, engineer or career no choose kayo. Mungkin nang bahai ke mane makeup artist ne mane career no bahai ke choose ka mane inspire bahai ke born take surung ka ning idea mang kata. Mane kisah chini viewers no sama ke beri handa.
Ya. Hanai from my childhood chini no mane hai school roko drama dance roko So from that, dance kaike drama kaike, kita makeup ko pila nanya di ba na. So I don't see assist ni katal jagaw thangga katal kaso mane tam hanay tam kaisa tam sanay tabuk tor kha. So when ang college ko tong through kaisa show mani ani chen ko nga jago so jago mane tam hanay kaisa mane I my head so
relax आराम से कॉल करिए आराम से relax
so alam na khata bui batike mane kaisa borok no batike kaisa different look khai man ne nang tam na kaisa borok no kabang ma ekdom pu thai basinami ma no ka ham basinami ma no so I don't know learn khai ka so ang te ba man thai man mo jung kha so as a drawing book hayo as a drawing rock ham go as a painter so I like to experience many colors and color ham go but many colors like kind of many different skin tone many texture shape so I want to explore kaite many the hai thang aste learn kaite shoy khatam dare
Ni sorry kisah ham thaya na ane
mane kisah congress mane taman tak ketanga to khai de kai
weather bu surung ka get winter bu phai kan ke ba
winter ni ba ko na
get well soon
so ko ham ba ko am ting te no abu am ti hai jago chobai kata
nung to apa no samtang nung to beri tak kono onek very young ko mane asa kom time bisingo no onek tak mane success no man thangka
I hope success in ka ang ya ko ano mo dito ang temo learn kaino mo tungo temo ka hamke temo katal shurang na mo tungo so taho just beginning siko
but still ana tak to nung to santaga one of the well known makeup artist tak chini entertainment industry ko pura ko santang ke
I hope just only blessed by ang tagma rama by
so ongke ang nono te kaisa mane kok sana musung mani sung to tabok chini so khai tongo sung future ta kuno show khai khang ke nung chini magi free de na makeup to na khai ra. That's a joke. I joke.
Tam sanai. Obviously tam khaya dong me.
Akong no te kasa kok sam James. Ano te kasa kok sam mane tabok to no to shoot mane cha industry blooming tong tabok chini hobo. Ripane tabok si. Age hang le tabok onek ta channel phaitang platform phaitang ka. Inke nang jara chini audience no mane kuno mane message der hona mo sung jara o makeup of career mane o career no pursue khan mane bro ne bagi kuno message ro homa ke chanai ta. Kuno message sana mo chung ke no.
Tam sanai to no the born special joto no jani speciality di mane achayo. So the makeup hanjang obviously am the headline no kaham thangteng te ba chathung jin borok te ba situ te ba thaiman to. So amna thana ma tungo de mane de line no hamzo wa amna no mane self confidence tu thaigan ke chamani.
Obviously ko mane hard work thaiga to success to manai no.
Hard work thaigan ke obviously success na wase to thangi.
Akon dong James ni yo interview conclude khana sekang mane nung kuno chini yomo chini show ni bepare chini tea time talk show ni bepare kuno kisa kusu mane suggestion tong na kuno kisa sama ke anek chasang naita
bujiya kota ta mo
mane chini yo je chung show khat tea time talk show je sa awani bepare nung kuno ma suggestion drop sana mo chungke
suggestion tam chalai ang boto saiman ye ko ta aho mane sin borok ni kaham ni bagi I mean, bagi enggak nangom teh father tu teh kaham ni dong. So kaca mana starting tu kaina nang ni beli na. So kaham kok no.
Thank you. Okay, ni yo precious time rimana bagi bela ke ham bai. I hope we'll see you soon. Mane jung studio no has invite kai mane face to face interview basik na nai. Thank you. Goodbye.
Yeah.
So guys, that was the conclusion of our interview with Mr. James Debbarma, well-known popular makeup artist. Jeng kok salah kapini career ni bawa ke success or stay tini sopai ka. Hingga asing no, nanti ni our interview akan conclude kene. So same thing, please subscribe kari our channel no. Thumbs up. Okay, please don't forget share the video no. So goodbye guys, see you next time. Boom to exactly to hanung ya. Mane sumit, mane hanung boom bhaga bisa. Please, sekisah cini viewers na bisa sana sama ke bare. Hamanta.
Phone or by sal kok salai bunang jora sanwani ro kabe khani kok sai bu chai bu tangi bu oksipung ya no sari bana ning kok bo kereng no hindu wan christian bu jolly jago ama sang no go tagwana jago amba sakuai te bo jaga bo teni kok ro awai angi to bo wana ma sing sao ko sing celebrating ya ko buji maya ko ang paya teni yabon nang bosedi na ani juta woning habi nedi yeah balling like a bambola keep your haunted I'ma never give up microphone beru wa kung fu flow ku we kok tong fu zwingli kaisa rapper tabuk bo by photo kaisa ang nang fu nang ya ani fake friends ku we kok ang Jackie Chan oh boy I'ma keep it real nang ya ani record deal 90 how I record deal Borok gang, we've been ripping the hills, yeah. Nahat 90 how I'm paying my bills, yeah. Noxi kuna tongo wani hater. Nah, I'ma see you later. Tongo ani loge ani stand. Hater tabuk, do you understand? Yeah. Bukung bara ani sidekick. Nini beri ani side chick. Abai klayu ang desafano. Legend in the making higher fano. Ani kogrok semi nini kunjasano. Chobui naidi all kogrok no.
I don't know what I'm doing, what I'm gonna do.